Well, that turned out to be a pretty good adventure. It took me some time. It took me a good hour, maybe an hour and a half before I could actually find anything. Most of the pottery is dark, with no designs on it. I've seen one or two with designs, but that's it. Most of it looks like a tire, and some of it does because the back is textured and the other side is smooth. Yeah, the back side will look just like a tire, so more to the grayish black side. Lots of obsidian, a little bit of quartz. A couple things could have looked like tools, with jagged teeth on them. And like piles of obsidian, like scattered in a little circle, like that's where workshop was, or whatever. Just, I can only guess. I'm sure the experts could tell you. I'm not an expert. I'm just a guy that likes to play out here. Let's go up. Is that my road? Oh, I think I could have went that way. Hold on. Kind of execute this differently. The hole on the left side, so don't go in there. Okay. We gotta maneuver the hairpin curve. I should have went. There was maybe a shortcut over there. Oh, tree in the way. Yeah, I think I could have went that other way. No scratchy. Okay, here we go. Now we're on track. Believe it or not. Look up, look down, look out, look around. That's the name of that game. Well, that was fun, I must say. A little on the warm side, though. But I did find it. I was beginning to wonder, like, man, I'm never going to find this spot. Hee-haw. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Okay, homeward bound. My spare tire makes a lot of noise. I got it chained in the back. That and I got crap behind my seat. So I got a super cab, is what they call it. So it's an extra couple feet in the back with some little jumper chairs. Yeah, that's all you get for now. Okay, we're going to try this. I made it, a week or so ago. I don't know whether I'll make it today or not. We'll see. Every day is a different day with sand. This one I may not make. And then again, maybe I will. Did you get all that? Huh? I hope. I hope. This is what they call Mattress Hill. You know what? I've been out of here. I've been here so many times, I'm not even going to get out. We'll go straight back down. Well, maybe not straight. I'm ready to go home. We'll go this way down. You ready? Are you on? You're on, I think. Yeah. Okay. I couldn't remember if I shut you off or not. Bad. There's the mattress right there. Pretty soft. Watch your brakes. Just ease them on. Man, that's getting hot. I have to shut you off so I can go right here. Come on. This is the one that came up. This one. Need some rain again. Sand is getting oh so soft. Hang on, we're going down now. I'm taking my time. And there you go. That's Mattress Hill. That's all you get. Happy trails.